Hi everyone, once again this is Maestro 5 and welcome back to my social media account, my Facebook page as well as my TikTok account. And today's video, since yesterday we have a flat tire, and now we're going to remove this flat tire from the motorbike, and then we will bring it to the nearest vulcanizing shop. And of course we need some tools, and here are the basic tools. These tools was included as you purchase this unit. So here are the basic tools here, and we're going to use this to remove our tire. Here are the following tools. Yan. Tapos, ada video. Ada lama. Okay. Now we will be heading now to the vulcanizing location, and let's go. Go. Play. Okay. Video mo? Yes. Are. And then are sa pila. Good. Bingo. Are. Okay.
What?
Oh, and that's the end of it. For comments and suggestions, please leave a message below. Once again, this is Maestro 5, and God bless everyone.